I'm going to transform this slide from this horrible, bad business slide into a compelling data visualization. We're going to turn this into a line graph, first of all, as was suggested. By doing so, you can see immediately what the difference is. If I show you the original slide, it's very hard for you to see where does the decrease happen. Nothing stands out to you here as important. You see a bunch of text, you see a table with a lot of numbers. You don't see where that trend dips. But as soon as I put it into a line graph, suddenly it becomes starkly obvious that something is going wrong from October to December in the number of products sold, in this case for brownies. We can do even better with this graph, however. If you look at the title, number of products sold in 2020, this is a horrible title. This is a title that is often created by default by many data visualization tools we use, or even by our software tools in PowerPoint. But it's purely descriptive, telling us what is going on, but not why it matters to us. What I always recommend for slides is if a CEO or anyone were to flip through all of your slides and just read the headlines alone, they should understand what your story is. If a CEO were to just read number of products sold in 2020, they would have no idea what they need to do with this slide's information. So let's improve that. Let's make it this. Ice cream and cakes increased, but sharp decline in brownies since October. Now you can see the story that's going on. Ice cream and cakes, our products in this baking company, let's say, are doing well, but brownies are not doing well, the blue line. We can, however, make this even better than that. You can see on this slide all of these grid lines that I've boxed in red. That's just a lot of clutter on the page. What we can do instead is remove the grid lines and replace them with data labels, as you can see here. I've just put data labels at the beginning and end of the graph, not just any place, but the critical points that are most important to this story. In order to show an increase, I just need to show the first point was lower than the last one. To show a decrease, I've highlighted those 3 points, 100, 73, and 50 for the blue line representing brownies. You don't need to label everything. You just need to label the most important parts. Now, there's another part of this visualization that I don't like, but it's often used. If you look at the legend here, think about how you read this chart using the legend. You look at brownies, okay, that's blue. Then you look at the orange line, you say, okay, what's that? Oh, the legend says it's ice cream. And then you look at the gray line and say, oh, what's that? Oh, the legend says it's cakes. Your eye is darting back and forth across the page. It's not good user experience. How can we make that better? Well, why not directly label the lines? Now I don't need to pinball my eye across the page. I know instantly what each line represents. To show that difference again, look at how you experienced it with the legend. You need to dart your eye across the page to understand what each line is. But now it's directly obvious what each line represents. But we can do even better than that. Look at what happened between those two slides. I have a bunch of color, blue, orange, and gray. But do I really need all those colors? Color used to differentiate each line from the other because one was blue, one was orange, one was gray. But now since I have the direct labels, do I really need color to do that differentiation? No, it's redundant now. By making them all gray and just using one touch of one bright color to highlight the most important part, as was noted in the chat earlier, I make the message here instantly clear. Ice cream and cakes increased, yes, but there's a sharp decline in brownies since October in red. Now, at this point, there is still something else I'd like to improve on this slide. Take a look at this slide and put in the chat or raise your hand. What else do you think we can improve to make this slide even better than it already is?